Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add icons to WordPress menus. Let's get started. So let's first head over to our menus. It can be located in the appearance and on the menus right here. So when we head over to our menu, as you can see, there is actually no icon. And if we try to head over and see what our site will look like right here, and as you can see, the site that we have actually opened will not have any icon. So it's actually loading right here. And once you have seen this particular page, you can see that the menu is quite boring. So as you can see, here's my menu and there's actually no icons or whatsoever. So if you want to add an icon, what you can do is you can head over right here again to your dashboard. Scroll down until you can see the option for plugins. Click on this add new plugin right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will actually redirect you to the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. So here's our plugin marketplace. So just click on the search bar right here and try to search in here for menu icon. So when you try to search for this particular search, you should be able to see in here some search results that really supports what you have typed on the search label. So you can see in here this WP menu icons. So you can click on that particular one right here. And then you can see this. Click on this install and activate. And then this will actually set up or install this particular plugin to your store. So once it's been installed, we should be able to activate it as well. But as you can see, it's activating the plugin for us. So click on this manage plugin right here. And then once you have clicked on that, we can see the settings for this plugin. So on our menus right here, you can click on this plus icon now. Earlier, it's not here. So when you click on this plus icon, you should be able to add some icons right here. So for example, let's choose this one for this and categorize. And on the contact us, let's choose something that has a telephone or also a message. So let's use this one. Then on the about page, let's click on this. And then let's choose this right here. Now in here, click on save menu. And then it will be saved on your icon on your menu. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.